So greetings everyone. I am Aditya Pachore from Electronics Department. My PRN is 214100066. So today we are going to see how to launch an instance. We have to demonstrate the launching of the instance. Let me share my screen. Okay. Hope that you're able to see the screen. So firstly, before launching an instance, we need an AWS account. And after creating an AWS account, you just log into the AWS console. And this is the console you can see here. Okay, so now after that, just select the location through which you want to launch the instance. Let me select Asia Pacific Mumbai. Then the services are shown here which are recently visited. And if you want to view all services, you can click here or just search here whichever you want to launch. So let's search EC2. Here it is. Okay, so click on instances here. Okay, so these are the instances which I had created and later on terminated. So now just launch a new instance. Just click here on launch instances. So for launching an instance, we need some basic info of the instance. Firstly, let's give a name to our instance. Hey, cloud. Okay. So you can also add additional tags for easy searching. Next is application and OS image. So let's select Ubuntu here. Then you will be able to select the AMI, that is Amazon Machine Image. The free tier eligible and the latest version is this one. So let's select Ubuntu Server 22.0 for LTS. Okay, architecture is 64-bit and every AMI has its unique AMI ID as it's given here. So next is the instance type. So let's select the instance type. Instance type basically selects the configuration of your server. So let's say this is free eligible T2 micro and latest family T2. Okay, number of hosts and all. Okay, next is the key pair info. Okay, so this key pair is used to securely connect to your instance. So if you have one, then you can just create. If you don't have one, then just create a new key pair. Enter the key pair name. Okay, so RSA type is unscripted, and for OpenSSH we use .pem. Okay, so I've clicked on OK. Now the key pair is being downloaded. The keypem.pem file is downloaded. Okay. Then we have just selected the created key pair now. Next is network settings. So the network here VPC virtual private cloud is by default provided. Subnet is also by default. Then it's also enabled that auto assign public IP is also enabled. Next is the firewall, that is the security groups. Security group is a set of firewall rules that controls the traffic for your instance. So if you want to allow only a particular people to launch your instance, then you can allow that too. So for that, just let's create a new security group here. You can also select the existing security groups. So there are three options: allow SSH traffic, HTTPS traffic, and HTTP traffic. And also there are three sub options: anywhere, custom, and my IP. By clicking on my IP, the device connected only on my IP address will be able to launch that instance or access that instance. By clicking on custom, you can just add a custom IP address through which anyone can, not anyone, but the people connected on that IP would be able to launch the instance. And another option is anywhere. That is anywhere from the world, means anyone can launch your instance. Now let's configure the storage, 1 GIB. Keep it to root volumes. Okay, we can also add new volumes as well. So after completing these steps, you will get a summary of all your steps to the right side. Number instance 1, software image AMI is 1 to 22.04. Server type T2 micro. Security group, new security group is created, and storage volume is given. Okay, so after finishing this, just click on launch instance. It's being launched. Okay, successfully initiated the launch of instance. This is the instance ID. You can just go back to the instances. See, this is the one we have just launched. It's in the pending state yet. Just wait for a few seconds, 4 to 5 seconds. Till that, we can just click on this and see the configurations we have set for launching the instance. Security group, network, okay, host, group, networking, storage, status checks, etc. Okay, now it's running. The instance state is running. So to connect, just click on it and just click here, connect. Okay, connect to your instance. So these are different options through which you can connect. For the EC2 instance connect, we are using now the connect using EC2 instance connect. It is an, you can say, virtual, IP address type where we don't need to download any software for connecting the instance. Just click here, connect. Another tab will open up. Establishing connection. This is our connection ID. Okay, now we are in the Ubuntu terminal. So for running any commands, for example, just let's see what are the commands. Okay, everything information is related synopsis, commands, introduction. Okay, that's how we launch the EC2 instance. So we can also do another many operations here. For example, if you want to terminate this instance, just click on that instance and click instance state. You can stop instance for some while, means if you want to stop it for a few days, you want to completely terminate, then just click on terminate instance. It will ask to terminate. Okay, it's saying shutting down. It will take few minutes for terminating and your instance will be permanently terminated. Okay, thank you.